Hello everyone, my name is Aisha and النعيمي. Today me and my colleague Shaima and الهاشمي are going to talk about an alternator or car AC system components. As you can see, this is the alternator. So as we said, how does an alternator works? An alternator works by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. It consists of a rotor that spins within a stator, generating an alternating current, which is AC. This AC is then converted into a direct current through a rectifier preventing electrical power to charge the battery and run various vehicle components. As here we remove the cover. This is a brush holder. As you can see, this is called the brush holder. So a brush holder is a component in an electrical motor or generator, including alternators. It holds the brushes, this is the brushes which you can see here, which are conductive components that maintain electrical contact with a rotating part of the machine, such as the router and alternator. These brushes enable the transfer of electrical current between the stationary and rotating part, facilitating the generator of electricity or the operation of a motor. You can see in the brush holder, this is called the voltage regulator. The voltage regulator is a critical component of an alternator. It regulates the electrical output of the alternator, maintaining a constant voltage to meet the electrical needs of the vehicle system and charge the battery. By monitoring the electrical system voltage, the regulator adjusts the field current in the alternator. The standard alternator designed for road vehicles has a voltage regulator mounted to the back of the alternator and set up to a single charge voltage of 14 or 28 volts to the sufficiency of the car battery, which is rarely, if ever, discharged.
Hi everyone, I'm Shaima. I will continue now what my colleague Aisha started with. I'm going to talk about the rotors. Rotors are the moving parts in the alternator that have permanent magnets that's moving around the stator iron plate to generate an alternating current. Rotors require existing motion to function, so only once the engine or turbine is already running will rotate work with the stator to provide a charge. The function of the rotor is to transmit the mechanical power from one part to another. Now I'm going to talk about the stator, but because it was hard to remove it from the front packet, but I will talk about it like this. So the stator is this one. It is the coils of wires housed inside the engine case. It's a magnet on a shaft spine with the stator, creating alternating current. That current travels along clearly heavy gauge wire through the case and into the regulator, which converts it to the DC power and at the consist output. The function of the stator is to provide magnetic field that drive the rotating armature. The motor has been running for a few minutes. Your battery voltage should read somewhere between 13.7 to 14.5 voltage. If the voltage continues to drop even while the engine is running, then the charge has been have stator problem. Last but not least, I will talk about the pulley. It's the mechanical link between the alternator and the engine output crankshaft pulley. The pulley drives the alternator, which allows the battery to be recharged. So the overrunning alternator pulley, also called the free wheel pulley, is a spare part of the complete alternator.